Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the fifth video of the Tableau Quick Tips series. In this quick tip, we will be covering the topic of quick LODs. Before proceeding with the video, there is a small request from my side. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel for getting the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us go into the video. From Tableau version 2021.1 onwards, we can easily create a fixed LOD expression without needing to enter the full formula into the calculation editor dialog box. We can use context menus or drag and drop a measure onto a dimension to automatically create a level of detail expression with the default aggregation. The advantage of this method is that we need not be aware of the LOD expression syntax that can be a bit overwhelming, especially for Tableau newbies. Let us now go through the first method of creating a quick LOD expression in Tableau. This is called the drag and drop method. In the data pane, while pressing the control key, we need to select the measure that we want to aggregate and drag and drop it onto the dimension. In this case, we are using the sales measure and the region as the dimension. The Mac equivalent key will be command. As you can see, a new calculated field appears in the data pane, which is a fixed LOD calculation. The default name for the new field will be in the format of measure followed by the dimension name inside round brackets. If required, we can rename this field as per our requirements. We can edit the newly calculated field. We will get the calculation field editor dialog box with the LOD expression automatically entered. Using this method, we can by default create only a fixed LOD expression. However, we can change the scoping keyword from the fixed to either include or exclude. The aggregation in the aggregate expression of the quick LOD will come from the default aggregation on the measure. This is usually sum. Let us undo the creation of the quick LOD expression. Let us change the default aggregation of the sales measure to average. What we need to do is right click the measure, go to default properties, go to aggregation and change it from sum to average. Let us now repeat the creation of the quick LOD expression. If we now right click and edit the field, we will observe that now the aggregation in the aggregate expression of the LOD is average and not the default sum. Next, let us now go through the second method of creating a quick LOD expression in Tableau. This is the context menu method. In the data pane, while pressing the control key, select the measure we want to aggregate and then select the dimension we want to aggregate. In this case, let us select the profit measure and the category field, pressing the control key. We do a right click, we go to create LOD calculation. The calculation field editor dialog box will appear with the LOD expression automatically entered. Similar to the first method, If required, we can modify the LOD expression in the calculation editor. Once done, we can click OK. As you can see, similar to the first method, a new calculated field appears in the data pane.